For the car.
What car?
Bruh, you don't know nothing about it.
Okay,
So
that's what I'm saying. You gotta tell me.
It's about a Hyundai. Just call him up.
All right, first
a
of all,
red
you gotta
one.
step out of the office. This is my private office. Step out. Right now.
Call your brother.
Get the fuck out right now.
Look at dude.
That's fine. You cannot just walk into my office.
You got nothing on.
Are you recording it?
Yes, I'm recording right now.
Okay,
Cause
get
you
out
guys
of my
look
office.
at dude. He's
Well, that's
throwing
fine.
shit.
You cannot be
I'm
in
gonna
my office.
I'm not in your
You got a
office.
violation.
You just
You
let me
can't
on
come
there.
on me,
You
bro.
just let me here.
We're going over some paperwork on the car.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, I have to record.
Okay.
That's fine. No worries.
So,
In there, he comes in there, throws a helmet on the floor, and talks to him like, hey,
I didn't-
call your brother, get the fuck. No, we're not talking like that. Okay, so I told him, bro, either you leave or cool down and come back. Oh no,
I got
he
on
is-
film.
Oh,
He's
all right.
lying.
That's
remember when I
fine.
said to stop?
No problem. You can film me all your
I'm trying to help you out.
Okay.
Look in the house. Look, double check everything.
I
Find
did.
it.
I will
When you
again.
find it, okay? What you're gonna do?
for any reason.
And you did put that car in my name, right?
Yes, sir.
You did? Okay. All right.
You got a ticket, correct?
Yes.
Okay. You don't have that paperwork anymore.
No.
You can't find it.
What I did, I left it in my glove box,
Okay.
and then I was gone.
Okay.